Yes, we are drawing the logo today, but first I'll show you what was on my mind and how the first version came out. We have two items here. One is supposed to look like a court and in the shape of letter B, as a volley. Another one is a ball, and both of them together should make another ball-shaped object, but I guess it's too complicated to be a logo. That's why I decided to try to simplify it. So, I'll put the volleyball here, as it will be our main subject to play around with. I'm thinking of splitting it for volley and ball and making initials of it. Let's see what kind of shapes will come out to my mind. Of course, they all look ugly in this implementation, but I think I will work around with number 5. The difference between 4 and 5 is that the last one has more rounded edges. I made this template that helps me to have more or less similar size of symbols, so let's try it. Damn, this brush line is not straight, but I will fix it later. Okay, the two main symbols looks like this. Since we have two main letters, let's try to create our font, or at least letters to have volleyball with them. Now I'm trying to combine two main letters to have kind of a logo. The only letters I don't like is V and Y, as their size doesn't match with others. However, L is also different. Anyway, I came up with another version for them and I might stay with it. But what if we just try to switch places for letters? Whoop, look like a person now. But that's it for today. Maybe it's time to launch a main page at least? Huh?